Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Just a Chillguy token. Ticker symbol is Chillguy, all one word. Now this token is doing amazing, has a $44.2 million market cap, and this token just came out 3 days, 23 hours ago. Today it's up 315%. And it just got a very big central exchange listing, and we're going to go over the information on the Just a Chillguy token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, like I said, this is a Solana meme coin. It was created on pump.fun, and you could tell because the contract address ends in pump. Now, if you're looking for this token, you can find it on SoulScan, BirdEye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, even CoinGecko. They have 24,590 holders so far. They started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's a deflationary token, so right now the total and circulating supply for this token is 999.96 million tokens. And they have a quick audit here by Quick Intel Security that you could find on Dex Tools. And it says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. And then on Dex Screener, they have another quick audit. It says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. Now this token has already had a community takeover, even though the token pair was just created 3 days, 23 hours ago on Radium. The dev is already out of the picture, and the community has taken it over, and this happened 3 days ago, almost immediately after it came out on the 16th. So on Dex Screener, it says, Just a Chillguy community takeover. A community claimed ownership for this token November 16th. The community has come together and set up a Telegram group for this project. It was clarified with the user of the X account, and he agreed to use it as the official TG. So if you go to Dex Screener, you're not going to find a web page. You're just going to find a Telegram group and a Twitter group, because now this is an official CTO. But also, I mean, this token just got listed today on a central exchange, a big central exchange called Lbank. Now, there may be other central exchange listings as well, but this is one that I saw pop up this morning. So it says the Chillguy token got listed today on Lbank November 19th at 9 a.m. UTC time. So that has already passed. So it is available now on Lbank. So if you are looking for this token here, first of all, if you don't have an Lbank account and you want to get it that way, you can easily download Lbank from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you could open an account on your PC. Then you would fund your account with USDT. And then after that, go into the trade section. If you're looking to buy this token, search the ticker symbol Chillguy, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they also have, there's another Jinin CTO that's being listed on MEXC Global today. That's a big listing here. I did a video on the AI 16Z token that's being listed on MEXC Global today. There's lots of huge projects out here. Copa, I did a video on that recently. Coco Park And that's being listed on Lbank, or sorry, not Lbank, MEXC Global. Open Loot, that token is being listed today all over the place. I mean, this right now is definitely bull season for crypto. I mean, you could tell by the Bitcoin chart these days in the past few weeks. Ever since somebody's gotten to office, things have been doing well. I am going to do a video today on the Ponder token. I haven't talked about that token yet. That one's being listed tomorrow on MEXC Global. So check out the MEXC Global referral code down there if you don't have an account. Tons of tokens being listed on there today. And then some on some other exchanges too, like Lbank, CoinEx Global. I got one of them, a video on the IMON token today. Check that out. But this Chillguy meme here, this CTO project, like I said, not a lot of info on this project. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here. November 2024, this Twitter was created. They're followed by Lbank. 3,045 followers, has a link to their Telegram right there on the Twitter. 49 tweets, and then the contract address and chart link along with the socials are also in the pinned tweet. So basically all the links you're going to need are on this Twitter. And if you don't want to get this token off a central exchange like Lbank, or maybe Lbank's not available in your country, you can also get this token off of Raydium. First of all, you need to download a Soulflare wallet, a Phantom wallet, or a Trust wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. And then you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange. There is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Once you do that, go into the trade section, go into the dApps, find a Raydium, and then using the contract address you could find right there in that pinned tweet on that Twitter, you would trade your Sol for this token. Now there is some info if you go to knowyourmeme.com. This Chillguy is just like a very popular meme that this token's based off of. So it says it's just a chill guy that's low key. He doesn't care. It's a meme focused on a character called, quote unquote, my new character, who's depicted as a light brown dog with a human body wearing a gray sweater, blue jeans, and red shoes. So you can learn all about this meme basically on, it went viral on TikTok. So check out the Know Your Meme page if you want to learn more about where this meme comes from. But besides that, like I said, no web page. They have a market cap of $46.2 million. They're up 320% today. They have $1.2 million worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to Dex Screener, 99.9% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. They have a token price of 4.68 cents per token today, and they have a 24-hour trading volume today of $47.3 million. Super popular project. Just today they've had 92,313 transactions. So go check this token out. Got listed on Lbank today. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.